Everything in day trading is all about risk to reward. How much are you willing to risk for the reward? I genuinely think that risking your own capital is completely foolish when there are companies out there that you can pay a couple $100 and then they'll give you $100,000 to trade with. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie, and this is The Moving Average, a show where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. I've waited a little bit to make this video, but it needs to be addressed now. Previously, I was promoting a company called Funding Talent, and they randomly restructured their company and no longer offered any of those challenge funded accounts. I actually reached out to them and asked them why they did that, and they said effective immediately, we are permanently removing challenge as a funded talent program offering. This decision was very difficult to make. Unfortunately, the evaluation style model of challenge promoted a lottery mentality that required us to make frequent changes in an attempt to not only preserve the integrity of the program, but also try to make it fit the long-term vision of our company. Understandably, these frequent changes are frustrating for our members, increasing our support response times, and resulted in negative member experience. Therefore, we firmly believe that doing what's difficult today will better position us for tomorrow. Now, at first, I was concerned because if they just closed all funded challenge accounts, what happens to the people that just signed up? And over the course of the next week and a half, everybody that I know that signed it up for a challenge account got a refund. So thank you, Funding Talent, for doing the right thing and refunding everybody. But now with that challenge account gone on that prop firm, what are we left with? I've been asking a bunch of my friends that are traders that trade on different funded accounts, and they recommended 5%ers, my Forex funds, as well as the most popular FTMO. So seeing how it's the most popular and it will probably get me the most video clicks, I went with FTMO. It's a highly searched term. So in this video, you'll see me signing up for FTMO for a $100,000 challenge account. All right, so now we are on the FTMO website after you've already registered. That's a step-by-step process, so I'm assuming that you guys are smart enough to figure it out. Those who are not should not be trading. Right here, this is the coolest part about FTMO. You get a free trial for 14 days, so you get zero risk whatsoever, like zero risk. Before, with just the challenge, you're risking a little bit of your capital to get a funded account. But on here, you can actually just get a free trial, test to see if you can pass the challenge. And then once you've mastered that skill, you can set up the challenge account. So to set up the challenge account, all you got to do is click Start FTMO Challenge. And right here, you're going to set up your entire account. I like to trade US 30. So my account currency is going to be USD because it is easier for me to calculate. So when I trade, it's US 30 USD. So every point is $1. There's also a way where you can trade US 30 euro, but that is another topic. I highly suggest using a US dollar account because it makes a lot of the USD trading pairs much easier to convert. Now, when it comes to risk mode, you have two options here, either normal or aggressive. I'm going with the normal because it is half the price of the aggressive. I will show you that down below. On the account size, you can go anywhere from 10,000 USD all the way up to 200,000 USD. And I'm going to choose a $100,000 account. The provider is going to be the FTMO platform, and the account type, the leverage is 1 to 100. I'm going to be using this one. I like to trade on MetaTrader 4 because I'm not a big fan of MetaTrader 5. CTrader is good when setting up multiple take profit levels. This is more customizable, but if you are unfamiliar with CTrader, definitely check out some videos on YouTube to learn if this is going to be a better trading platform for you. Then, of course, you have to set up your entire billing info and all of the mundane information. So that's grayed out for you guys. Now, I don't see any purpose for the note section, so let's continue on. Your payment currency is going to be whatever you choose. I primarily transact in USD, so USD is my payment currency. Right here, I suggest you actually read this because you are getting into a contract with a large company as a private individual. So read through their terms of service as well as their supplemental agreement. Check these 2 boxes and your total for the $100,000 challenge account is going to be $626.51. That's including their taxes. And let me show you really quick. Remember, we were debating between the normal and aggressive mode. If I click the aggressive mode, leave everything the same, the total is up to $1,253. Now, that price is ridiculous, and so I'm not even going to look into what the difference is between the two. I'm going to go with the normal mode. I mean, that's a significant price difference. So you just confirm and proceed to payment. Quick rundown of what you're ordering, and it gives you these payment options. I use the Pay You because you just type in your credit card, expiration date, and the code on the back. Super easy. If bank transfers are easy for you, I would suggest that. There's also no fee on any of these 3. If you use Skrill, Unlimit, or crypto.com, there is a 3% fee, so keep that in mind. But if you want to keep off the grid per se and pay in Bitcoin, you can do that on these 2. Click on any of those and you'll be taken to the payment section. Boom, card number, expiration date, and CVV code, and just click pay. Once you do that, it'll load back to the previous screen and your order is complete. So once you go through the entire payment process right here back on the FTMO dashboard, you'll see this new section right here. And when you click on the credentials button, you will get all of the credentials to log into the MT4 platform to start trading your account. You can also click on the metrics button, which is going to take you to the breakdown of how your trades are going. Obviously, I have no trades placed yet, so this area is blank. However, on the bottom here, you can see your trading objectives. Minimum of 10 days of trading within that challenge period, a maximum daily loss of $5,000, and a maximum total loss of $10,000, while your profit target is $10,000. Now, that is a 10% gain on the account within that challenge period. A little bit lower, you will see the statistics, your equity on the account, your balance, the number of trades that you've taken, and the lots that you've traded, along with your win rate. I will be sharing all of this information with you guys as I go through this challenge. The cool thing about FTMO is it also tracks your trades in a trading journal. I am unsure if once you start trading, you will be able to export this, but if you can and put it into an Excel spreadsheet, along with putting a note at the end of every single trade, why you entered and how it played out, that would be extremely beneficial. They also have this mentor section right here, and when you look at it, you can actually set up specific parameters for your max daily loss to keep it under what they allow, and really fine tune and customize exactly how you want all of your positions to be taken, what your drawdown, what your risk to reward ratios are going to be. This is kind of cool. I'm definitely not going to play with this, but you can set this up in a way where you'll get alerts, emails, and notifications when your account is hitting any of these numbers. Yesterday, I showed you guys my first trade on that account. There's been 3 more after that. I'm following a rules-based strategy and had 3 subsequent losses right after that. So I am negative on the challenge account right now, but you know, that's how things go. Just to clarify, the strategy that I'm using has about a 20% gain on account per month through all the back testing that me and the team have done. So now we are forward testing, but actually doing it on the challenge account. So currently you guys can see right here, the account is down 1,800-ish, so less than 2%. I'm going to be updating you guys weekly, probably on the Telegram group, if not in a video, how much the account has grown, if I've passed the challenge, if I failed the challenge, which is what I meant by doing actually more live trading, because I'm going to spend probably less time making videos and more time actually trading, because quite honestly, this channel takes a lot of my time with the comments, with the videos, with the editing, with everything, the SEO. It's exhausting. Also, one of the main reasons I picked FTMO out of all of the prop firms out there is because of their size and the amount of people that use them and the few complaints that I've read. Because if you're earning a lot of money on a prop firm trading a massive account, large payouts can be an issue. And like, I'm hoping that because FTMO already has this established user base as well as large amounts of liquidity, that we won't come to the same conclusion that we did with funding talent. So I wanted something big and reliable long term for you guys. Also, you guys have probably noticed my mistress right here, so I'm gonna show her off really quick. So this is how I'm gonna record videos from now on. This is my new desk. This is my new standing position. You guys have probably seen this in a previous video if you followed the channel for a while, but I've been wanting an e-bike for quite some time. This is a Trek Rail 5, and it's got all the fixins that I like. It rides really, really well. And I had a flat tire on my car this morning, so I had to ride this to work in the freezing cold. It is like fall here, so yeah, wasn't that great. My hands were frozen. But if you guys are wondering what this thing is right here, this is a child seat because I have a daughter, and this is called the Shotgun. And it's freaking awesome because she gets to like sit on the bike and be active while I ride with her. She even gets her own cute little handlebars right here. Anyway, I just wanted to make this video to address the whole issues with funding talent and the new prop firm that I'm now promoting, which is going to be FTMO, as well as letting you know that I'm going to be trading a challenge account and keeping you updated pretty much every week. If this video gets more than 1,000 views, I'll be in shock. It's literally just been me yabbering on for 20 minutes. Now, if you guys want to know what strategy I'm going to be using for this funded challenge, watch this video right here. And if you guys enjoyed this video, which was going to be a shocker, subscribe to the channel by clicking this button right here. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.